Welcome to this video about results of the research project Light in Europe about lifelong learning, innovation, growth and human capital tracks in Europe. My name is Ivana Studena and I will talk briefly about results of our research on the lifelong learning participation and how it relates to employability. In summary, we find that if we participate in lifelong learning, we do improve the prospects of our current or future job. Our personal prospects are most closely linked with capacity to find, maintain, or change a job. Being or not being in a working position crucially impacts our social standing. We find that participation in lifelong learning is primarily connected with positive effect on employability. In Europe, every sixth individual participated in lifelong learning activity in span of 1 year around 2011 and reported this has helped him to get a new job. Other tenth of all participants report the learning has led to better salary or promotion. Most lifelong learning is happening in non-formal activities, such as different courses, private lessons, workshops, guidance on the job, and alike. In those countries which are leading in how much individuals participate in lifelong learning, as much as almost every second person takes part in non-formal learning during 1 year and says that this learning has helped him to get a new job. In most countries, people who participate in non-formal learning report that this has helped them somehow in their current or future job, so either they got a new job or got a rise in salary or have been promoted. In some countries, there is still a majority of individuals who at the first instance do not want to participate in lifelong learning activity. So for example, in Greece, Serbia or Turkey, about 70% of all individuals are not interested in learning, irrespective of whether it is a formal or non-formal activity. Other countries, like Sweden, with the highest participation rates, have only about 20% of individuals who are not interested to participate. Interestingly, across all countries, it seems that the share of individuals who do want to participate, but report they could not do it because of some difficulties, ranges from 10 to 20%. So that seems to be quite even across all countries, including those who have high rates of participation and low rates of participation in lifelong learning. But if we look further behind the reason why individuals say they would not want to participate, actually only about a third of them declare they feel no need for further education. Others had particular reasons and obstacles to participate in learning. One of the most important obstacles that the potential participants reported were family responsibilities. When every sixth of those who firstly said he or she did not want to participate reported actually that the main reason for this was their family obligation. Therefore, when we design policies supporting employability via lifelong learning participation, the nature of obstacles to lifelong learning perceived by individuals represent vital input for delivery across spectrum of social and personal backgrounds. For more information on how employability that is our capacity to maintain or develop job prospects, is shaped by learning and a range of other personal factors and circumstances, please read our policy brief. Lifelong learning is a growing factor in employability. You can download the policy brief at the project website www.LLLight'in'Europe.com.